Miami LeBron James, he's not human. Exploding fire, the most insane moments ever. Basketball crown. When LeBron James joined the Miami Heat, expectations were already enormous. But once he stepped onto the court, he showed a level of athleticism that was almost impossible to believe. LeBron wasn't simply a powerful player. He had the rare combination of size, speed, strength, explosiveness, and basketball intelligence that could completely change a game in seconds. One of the most spectacular parts of his Miami era was his ability to attack the basket. Give LeBron even a small opening, and he could explode toward the rim with incredible speed. Defenders often had to choose between stepping in front of him or risking becoming part of the next highlight. Then came the dunks. On fast breaks, LeBron looked unstoppable. He could run the length of the court, rise above defenders, and finish with enormous power. Some of those plays didn't just get the crowd on its feet. They completely changed the energy of the game. But LeBron's athletic ability wasn't limited to offense. His chase-down blocks became one of the most recognizable parts of his game. A player could appear to have an easy basket, only for LeBron to race from behind and suddenly send the ball away. His speed, timing, and determination turned defensive possessions into unforgettable moments. Another incredible quality was his ability to perform under pressure. When the game became intense and every possession mattered, LeBron could take control. He could create a scoring opportunity, make a huge defensive play, grab a crucial rebound, or deliver a powerful finish at the rim. His Miami years also produced enormous team success. LeBron helped the Miami Heat reach the NBA Finals 4 consecutive times from 2011 through 2014, and won 2 NBA championships during that run. That combination of spectacular athletic plays and winning basketball made his Miami period one of the most memorable chapters of his career. Whether it was a thunderous dunk, a ridiculous chase-down block, a fast-break explosion, or a clutch performance, LeBron repeatedly produced moments that made fans stand up and ask, "How is that even possible?" Exploding fire. The Miami Heat era wasn't just about statistics or championships. It was about moments. Moments that showed extraordinary athleticism. Moments that changed games. Moments that became part of NBA history. And when those moments are put together, one thing becomes clear. Miami LeBron was something truly special. Crown basketball fire. Watch until the end and relive some of the most incredible athletic moments from LeBron James' Miami Heat era.